One of the statuses I've seen very often on Google Ads is eligible limited. And this is what I want to explain right in this video. So you can see right on my screen, this particular advertisement is eligible, but in front of it, there's limited. So what exactly is this talking about? By the way, let me mention that this advertisement has been running for over 2 months, and you can see we have gotten 218,116 impressions and over 4,500 clicks. But this is showing that the advertisement is limited. So what exactly is happening to this advertisement? When you're running advertisement on Google and you see this type of status, what it means is that the advertisement will serve, but it will not serve to the optimum capacity. And for example, if the advertisement is supposed to show to maybe about 100,000 people, and you have this limited status in front of it, it means that the advertisement might be showing to about 60,000 people due to the limitation. So what exactly could be the reason for these limitations? Now we're going to look at some of the reasons for the limitations right here. So look at this particular one. We have the policy in front of it, and this limitation is actually moderately restricted. And what exactly is the reason for this? The reason is because this particular advertisement is somehow related to men's sexuality, though not directly, but somehow. But because I know exactly what I'm doing and I understand that this advertisement is not sexual, I have to go ahead and appeal the limitation, and I was able to win the appeal. So that is first thing. So you can see right here, I appealed for this limitation twice. And you see the first one complete, the second one complete. So I won the appeal. And another thing right here is the moderately restricted. So I'll click on it right now. You see this is moderately restricted, and if I click on it, then I'll be able to see the exact policy that caused that moderate restriction. So right, you can see right here, sexual content, and that is actually true because this advertisement is talking about prostate gland, and the prostate gland is somehow related to men's sexuality. So the limitation right here is understandable, and that is because of the nature of the product I'm advertising. So what it simply means is that the advert does not actually violate a very serious policy, but because the advertisement will not be suitable for every audience, then it has to be limited. And what are some of the audiences that this advertisement will not be eligible for? This advertisement might not be able to show to people below age 18, and also it might not be able to show to people in certain location. So when you see this type of limitation, moderately restricted, it is usually either the content of the advertisement or the content of the landing page. So now that you understand this, your advertisement will continue to serve, but it might not serve to the optimum capacity. It might not be delivered to as much people as you want to see your advertisement. And in this case, what are the things you could do to solve this problem? You can either go ahead and create a new advertisement, taking into consideration the information from the policy, and then avoiding those information from the advertisement, or you proceed by updating your landing page or create a new landing page, and then make sure the landing page is free of anything related to what Google has mentioned right in the limitation information. So this way you can solve this problem, and then your advert can start serving to many people on Google's network. Another major reason why you might experience ad eligible but limited is due to trademark. For example, the advert you are seeing right on my screen is eligible but limited due to trademark. And without even struggling at all, I can easily tell which trademark is present in this advertisement. I'm using this advertisement to promote my Google advertising services. And you can see right here, we fix Google Ads disapproval. That keyword Google is trademarked, and that is why this policy is triggered. Trademark is the reason for this particular limitation. And if I want to fix this particular problem, the best thing I can do is to go ahead and remove the keyword that is trademarked from the advertisement text. So you can see right here, trademark in ad text. So I can go ahead and edit the advertisement, then I'll be able to remove the trademark keyword right from the advertisement. So that is the another reason why you can see the status of your advertisement as eligible limited. So now that you see the exact reason why you might see eligible limited in front of your advertisement, then you can go ahead and implement some tactics that could help you overcome the limitation so that your advertisement can be delivered to more people on Google's network. That is what I have for you right in this video, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.